UGG is a brand for those who refuse to be defined by convention. Founded in 1978 on the coast of California by an Australian surfer, UGG is a global lifestyle brand renowned for its iconic classic boot. First worn by Hollywood royalty, fashion editors, and then the world, UGG has since expanded beyond the icon to design footwear, apparel, accessories, and home decor with an uncompromising attitude toward creativity, quality, and craftsmanship. Bold, provocative, free-spirited, optimistic, and real, the brand has always celebrated unapologetic individuality and continues to be embraced globally by those who refuse to be defined by convention. Product description: Our classic boot was originally worn by surfers to keep warm after early morning sessions, and has since become iconic for its soft sheepskin and enduring design. Incorporating a durable, lightweight sole to increase cushioning and traction, these versatile boots pair well with practically anything. Try loose boyfriend jeans and a velvet top. This product was made in a factory that supports women in our supply chain with the help of HER Project, a collaborative initiative that creates partnerships with brands like ours to empower and educate women in the workplace. The price is $180. To buy such UGGs, go to Amazon using the link in the description under the video.